Polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS), the most common endocrine disorder among women of reproductive age, is associated with obesity, insulin resistance, abnormal levels of lipids or fats in the blood, infertility, and elevated testosterone levels. The factors leading to PCOS development are: number 1, impairments in gonadotropin hormone production. Increased concentration of luteinizing hormone relative to follicle stimulating hormone results in excessive androgen production among women with PCOS. Androgens are steroid hormones that regulate the development and maintenance of male characteristics. Androgens are crucial for male sexual and reproductive function. They are also responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics in men, including facial and body hair growth and voice change. Point number 2, insulin resistance. Insulin acts synergistically with luteinizing hormone by increasing the production of androgens and decreasing the synthesis of sex hormone binding globulin, a key testosterone binding protein, resulting in a greater circulation of unbound testosterone. Point number 3, excess body fat. Fat cells produce hormones such as resistin and leptin, as well as inflammatory cytokines, which can contribute to PCOS development. Lifestyle interventions for PCOS management. Nutrition. Calorie restricted diets that are mostly whole food and plant based with a low glycemic index are effective for PCOS management. Physical activity. The recommendations is a minimum of 120 minutes of aerobic exercise per week to improve insulin sensitivity in PCOS. Sleep. Evidence suggests that melatonin production might be reduced in women with PCOS and that sleep disorders can intensify the pathways associated with insulin resistance. Melatonin also takes part in regulation of many vital physiological processes such as puberty, menstrual cycle, and aging of the reproductive system. Supplementation. Some evidence suggests that supplementation with vitamin B1, coenzyme Q10, vitamin D, chromium, zinc, selenium, or omega 3s, etc. might benefit with PCOS. Herbs and spices. Some evidence suggests that herbal supplementation such as aloe vera, cinnamon, tea, chamomile, curcumin, milk thistle, dandelion, black cumin, etc. might benefit metabolic issues in patients with PCOS. Note: although lifestyle changes such as prioritizing nutrition, exercise, and sleep intervention is the first line of treatment for PCOS management, it is not an alternative to pharmacological management. People with PCOS should consult a physician or a professional before considering supplementation or herbal treatments. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.